We should have him play with the thing. Aww.
He doesn't know what to do. He's hooked on it.
Aww.
Oh, now I got him distracted. Hey.
That's so cute.
Alright.
Aww.
Hey.
Hey, is he really like...
Hey, it's starting to bite me hard.
Oh, what a jerk. Hey, don't bite Daddy.
It's okay. We're bonding. Did you get him biting me? Kind of kicking his paws. Whoa! We just dumped it all in his face. He's gonna like OD.
Oh, I'm sorry, kitty. You okay?